Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to text behind an object in Capcut. First, open Capcut and import your desired video clip into the project. Drag this clip onto your timeline. Next, select the clip on the timeline and duplicate it. This creates a second, identical video layer. Position this duplicated clip directly above the original on the timeline. This setup is crucial for achieving the desired visual effect, allowing you to manipulate the layers independently. Now select the top video layer on your timeline. Look for the mask option within Capcut's editing tools. Here, you'll choose a mask shape that best fits your object. Options like split or rectangle are often effective starting points. Carefully adjust the mask's position, size, and rotation to precisely outline the object you want the text to appear behind. Use the feathering slider to create a smoother, more natural edge for your mask. With your mask in place, it's time to add your text. Go to the text tool and create a new text layer. Crucially, drag this text layer onto the timeline and position it between your original video clip and the masked top layer. Customize your text with a suitable font, size, and color. You can also add animations or effects. Finally, adjust the text layer's position on the screen so it appears exactly where you want it, behind your masked object. Once your text and mask are set, play through your video to review the effect. Pay close attention to the timing and positioning of both the text and the masked object. Make any final adjustments to the mask's shape, position, or feathering, or tweak the text's placement and animation to achieve a seamless, professional look. When you are satisfied with the result, export your video in your desired resolution and frame rate, ready to share.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.